Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna, your English conversation practice channel.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you are here today.
Today, we are going to learn something very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English.
This is one of the first things you should learn in English.
Because you can use it everywhere,
At school,
at work,
when traveling.
or when meeting new friends.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Just relax and practice with us.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
So let's begin.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hello, Anna. My name is Jay.
Nice to meet you, Jay.
Nice to meet you too.
Everyone, listen carefully.
These are very common English sentences.
My name is Anna.
My name is Jay.
You can also say,
I'm Jay.
that's right. Both are correct.
Very simple and very natural.
Okay, Jay, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. Which city?
I'm from Toronto.
That's a beautiful city.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm from the United States.
Cool.
Everyone, here are some useful examples.
I'm from Chile.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Japan.
Very easy.
Just say, I'm from and your country.
Now let's talk about age.
Okay,
How old are you, Jay?
I'm 24 years old.
Oh, really? You look younger.
Thank you.
I'm 26 years old.
Nice.
You can also say,
I'm 24.
yes, that is natural too.
Very short and easy.
Now let's talk about work.
Okay,
What do you do, Jay?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you. I design websites and posters.
Very cool.
What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Wow, that explains your good English.
Maybe.
Everyone, here are some useful job examples.
I'm a student.
I'm a doctor.
I'm a teacher.
I work in a bank.
Simple and useful English. Now let's talk about hobbies.
My favorite topic.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music and playing video games.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Cool. I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies?
Comedy movies.
Me too. Comedy movies are fun.
Everyone, you can say,
I like cooking.
I enjoy reading.
My hobby is photography.
Or,
I love football.
okay, everyone, now let's do a full introduction.
Listen carefully and practice with us.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm 26 years old and I'm from New York in the United States. I'm an English teacher. In my free time, I like reading books, drinking coffee, and watching movies. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Jay. I'm 24 years old and I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm a graphic designer. I enjoy music, video games, and traveling. Nice to meet you too.
Now let's look at some common mistakes.
Yes, many English learners make these mistakes.
Myself, Jay.
Correct name is Jay. Or, I'm Jay.
I have 24 years.
Correct. I'm 24 years old.
I am from India, country.
Correct. I'm from India.
Great job, everyone.
Small corrections can make your English sound natural.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions out loud.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
What do you do?
What are your hobbies?
Amazing!
Today we learned how to introduce yourself in English.
We practiced names, countries, age, jobs, and hobbies.
Remember, simple English is okay.
Yes, you do not need difficult words.
Just practice every day.
And speak with confidence.
Thank you so much for listening.
See you in the next English lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!